Hi guys. Hello. Welcome back to Saving Money with Mary Garden Edition. And I am back with my almost six week update. It's been 6 weeks. So a couple of I want to get these things out the way. So just so y'all know, I'm like not dropping these videos and disappearing from the face of the earth. Last 6 weeks have been not really busy, but just a lot of things going on. And so I'm here to talk about my journey, where I'm at, what's next, and to say that all is not lost. So a couple of weeks ago, I went out to check on my winter sowing. If you haven't seen all the things that I winter sowed, kind of thinking it was going to be foolproof. I was going to get all these beautiful, wonderful starts to get started. I wouldn't have to worry about a thing. And I will insert probably here. I'll insert what I saw when I went to check my jugs. Everything was pretty much dead. I actually have one here. Oh, I actually have one here because it had a sprout like popping out of it. And I'll just put that in a cup. I was like, we're just going to try to save you. But all of the jugs, I want to say, if there was some green, because I do remember at the end of one of those videos, from the ones that I started, there were sprouts. They were starting to sprout. But I do believe, because I'm in Mississippi Zone 8B, I think the fluctuating temperatures, it gets really hot here for no reason. Even in February, there were some hot days, and they essentially like burnt, especially my zucchini. So I really think it was a few things. One, I think it was the fluctuating temperatures. Two, I really didn't think you were supposed to water them. I literally just thought, it's a mini greenhouse. The rain gonna do its job. And they literally just dried out. Everything, even my zucchini. And like I was saying, the zucchini squash germination is very quickly. Even the things that I've started back here, they're 3 days, not even 3 days, the seed's coming up. So if I don't have anything else in my garden this spring and summer, I'm gonna have squash and zucchini. But if you can look behind me, all is not lost. All is not lost. I know y'all are probably thinking, you could probably get that a little taller, closer to that window. And I will. There's a table I haven't brought down here. So thank you all. There are several people that I reached out to in desperation. And as far as like reaching out, I mean like popping up your comment section, being like, oh my God, can you help me? All of my seeds are gone. I started over 18. Now, mind you, I started over 18 different plants. Not 18 of one. 18 different plants I started in those jugs. And so it was really hard. I was really depressed. I was like, oh my God, it's too late. I'm a failure. Like all those things. That took a left turn. So I'm here to say that all is not lost, y'all. Because I've got seedlings. They're taking off. I immediately start seeing green in those cups. And so here we have my zucchini is doing good. They're thriving. And I just got two. I actually have a couple of varieties of zucchini that are doing exceptionally well. And so y'all look at my Black Beauty zucchini. Yeah! You can't know how excited I am. And I'm hiding from my children. I had some sprouts come up. This is my Swiss chard. They're like fertilizers. I just threw some fertilizers in there, y'all. I'm just excited. I don't know. I might have did this wrong. I only had one, strangely enough. I only had one green bean. I put more than one in here. And so I only had one to germinate. So I'm gonna actually start some more green bean seeds. Their germination rate is really good. And this is the lonely. I actually don't even know what that is. And let me tell you something. I'm on a hunt to get some broccoli. I really, really want some broccoli. So I'll show you guys the other seeds. All of my pepper seeds. My pepper seeds have not germinated. It's been about 10 days. We're on about day 10. It will be 10. It'll be about 14 days. I will hit the 14-day mark on Friday. So if I don't see any type of germination on all of my peppers, I think I've got 6 cups up there with pepper seeds in it. If I don't get any germination by Friday, we're gonna run it back and try again. I also think that now mind you, I don't have any grow lights. And that was the biggest thing. I was like, I need to figure out a way to start plants that does not consist of grow lights because I just cannot. I already have to buy dirt, fertilizer, amendments, another raised bed, some more bags. Like, I don't need to have to buy a literal whole seed starting. I've got to figure out a way to do this. And so, I don't know. I did okay. I think I did okay. All right, so if you can see, this is where I have been starting all of my seeds, okay? I put him in this little foil pan. This is literally stuff I had around the house. Because I'm just like, we're literally going to have to figure this out. So all of those seeds that are in my window, I started them this way. I put them in the cocoa core. I wet it up, put holes in the cups, put the seeds in there, put this dome on it, make sure they're moist, water from the bottom, and I've just gotten all my seeds to start that way. It has worked for me, and I'm just grateful. I'm grateful because all is not lost. And so these are my bags. If you're watching this video, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to water this. Am I supposed to water this? Because these are all like my flowers, tomatoes. I have a really big bag of tomatoes. These are my flowers. I got some Asian greens. They have not sprouted yet, but I don't think I started these. And I think I started these Friday. What's the date? The date is not. My herbs. That's my broccoli. I didn't put no. What is this? 3:15. What was that? Friday? Saturday. So yeah, today's just Monday. So I'm gonna give it a little time, but I don't know if I need to water these. These are all of my peppers, and I've finally gotten some humidity because whatever it is about these cups and not the stock, the top fits on the styrofoam, but for whatever reason, these cups, the clear cups, it doesn't close. So I don't think I was getting as much moisture in there for the pepper seeds to germinate. And I'm kind of low-key behind. So like I said, I'm going to give them till Friday. There's plenty of water in there. So I had to duct tape it down to make sure it's kind of like closed a lot more to try to get these to germinate. You got till Friday to do your thing, and you're coming out of there. So the next thing for me to do is garden prep, layout, plan, because if I start all these plants, and I'm looking to do about 3 or I don't know my eggplant. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my eggplant. Eggplant takes a really long time to. I almost threw those out. I don't know what some just told me to wait. But I think I've heard somewhere that eggplant seeds take a long time to start. So they sprouted. This is the Black Beauty eggplant. And I'm very excited because I might keep all 1, 2, 3, 4. They're still coming up. 1, 2, 6. I'm going to keep all 6 of them. They sprouted. And I had to show you guys that. And then these are my collards, I believe. It was dripping wet, baby. That's what I like to see. These are my collards. That's 4. If I can rock with this 4, I'm literally like keeping everything. If it sprouts, I'm keeping it. We'll figure out where it's going. I've never grown anything from seed before, so I feel like this is it's new for me. I have to perfect this because it's the only way that I want to start. I just don't have I don't have $75. I'm telling you. And it's not even a shame thing. Like, I'm really not shameful, but I just don't have $75 to buy all the starts that I want. I don't have that. And that's just not on the table for me. And I've got all these seeds. So if these don't work, we're just going to run it back. So if you've made it to the end of this video, it is the next day. And so I am currently working on my plans. My plan is to get outside and get into some dirt and start literally prepping to plant my stuff. I am considering, I found a local worm casting farm that's giving away this stuff for dirt cheap. So if I'm able to go get this yard at the 1 cubic feet of worm casting, I gotta have it because it's so cheap. And I'm gonna use that as my soil. I'm putting it in my raised bags and in my grow bags, and I'm gonna, get amendments and stuff to add to my soil. I have scraps that I've been freezing. I've got eggshells upon eggshells I've been saving. I've got a bag of coffee grounds that I have in my job that I've been saving. And I'm sprinkling it all in there. So that's my plan for Saturday. To get the soil worked. I might not get it all done. I'm going to have some help. So I'm going to take you guys along that journey with me. To everyone who's responded to like comments that I've left, to like help me, who've answered questions and emails. Shout out to Godly Gardening Homestead for the seeds. Thank you, sweetheart. Please go follow her channel. She's been pushing out some really, really good content that I enjoy. So thank you to I pray I said it right. Godly Gardening Homestead. For the seeds. I cannot wait. To show you guys what I was able to grow. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see y'all in my next video. Happy gardening. Bye.